has issued a severe thunderstorm
Another
warning
one.
for eastern El Paso County and east central Colorado until 5 p.m.
5 p.m.
At 4:24 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a cluster of strong to severe thunderstorms were over northeast El Paso County. The thunderstorm activity was generally moving to the northeast at 20 miles an hour.
Wait, what? A tornado? Maybe a chance?
60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm activity will affect the northeast section of El Paso County through 5 p.m. Weak tornadic spin-you south along this line of storms will be possible. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include
You're saying there's tornadoes?
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh. There were tornadic rotations.
Weather Service has issued severe
Bro, they're like mid-tornado rotations, like medium. Like there was some tornadic rotation around Colorado. Oh yeah.
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern El Paso County and east central Colorado until 5 p.m. At 4:24 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a cluster of strong to severe thunderstorms were over northeast El Paso County. The thunderstorm activity was generally moving to the northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source,
in El Paso County, there's so many tornadic rotations.
Vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm activity will affect the northeast section of El Paso County through 5 p.m. Weak tornadic spin-you south along this merging line of storms will be possible. Other locations in the severe thunderstorm include Calhoun. For your protection,
bro, we might have a tornado
on the lowest floor of a building.
When you need some time away.
I think this was the one. And Peyton, look at that. Look at that. Weak tornadic rotation. And this one right here. Oh my god. I might get some tornadoes, but I'll see you guys later. I hope we'll get a tornado.